So this is Monty, our Husqvana Automower 430X. He's doing a really good job of mowing. He's out every day in the garden, and he does a different part of the garden at different times of the day to make sure that all the lawns are kept nice and neat and trimmed. One of the things that he does have to cope with, and he's doing very well, is the fact we've got some paths around the borders, and in places they're maybe only 1.5 meters wide, widen out to 2.5, 3 meters at the most. So he's got a lot of paths to work his way around on his daily mowing program, but on the whole he's doing a really good job. He zigzags, he mows up to the wire that's buried in our lawn. It's set in about 10 inches from the edge of the lawn, and he mows up to the wire, turns around and then mows off again in a different direction. So doing a good job. One of the things, of course, is he wasn't mowing right up to the very edge, and somebody suggested to me that we alter the drive over the wire setting, which we did to the maximum setting of 50. But the problem was he was approaching some of the edges and he was just getting a little bit too close, and we've got quite a deep gully there. It's about 3 inches down to the soil level, and if he was approaching at a peculiar angle, his front wheel was dropping over and he was getting stuck. So we'd often come down the garden and find him just sitting there sulking. So we've now put it back to 45. He doesn't get right to the very edge, but that isn't a problem, because basically all it means is that I get the mower out once a week, just go around all the edges, keep it nice and neat and trimmed to the edge. So as you can see, busily working away, making sure the paths are all neat and trim.